Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm taking you to another very beautiful destination in Mumbai known as the Taj Mahal Palace, one of the best hotels properties in Mumbai. So in my previous vlogs I have shown you all the places where you can explore when in Mumbai. So today we are in Taj Mahal Palace Mumbai and we are here for their famous high tea which they organize on the first floor at their sea lounge. So we are heading there. So look at the view here, look at the interiors here. It's looking so royal and serene. All white walls surrounded by paintings. They are so nice. And there is a massive lobby area here, and on the right hand side upstairs you'll see all the rooms are there. You must have seen this on movies and all. And also guys, as you guys must be knowing, the 26/11 attacks also happened here in 2008. This is the same hotel. So look at the view, look at the interiors here. So finally we are at Sea Lounge. So you can have beautiful view outside at the Gateway of India. They also have a live pianist over here. So Sea Lounge is basically a place where you can unwind yourself in Mumbai, where you can savor a selection of fine teas and gourmet snacks with stunning views of the Arabian Sea and Gateway of India monument. With a royal high tea of selection of mouth-watering savories and sweet delicacies. So look at this, they have variety of chart items here. They have live chart counter, they have variety of juices, cold coffees, and over here they have small burgers, pizzas, vada paos, everything, the sorted sandwiches, and the buffet is unlimited. So the timings are from 2:30 p.m. till 6:30 p.m. till the time of sunset. Yes. So you can have a great time over here. And also while having your high tea, you can enjoy the views outside of the beach and also of Gateway of India. So they have beautiful desserts here. They had these big cakes kept here, so you can cut the slices. There was this beautiful cheesecake kept here and it was really delicious. So we got this table here, not right next to the window, but we got it here. We sat here for almost 15-20 minutes and then later finally we got a seat next to the window. So we took this Maharaja package which also included unlimited sparkling wine. So my husband wanted to take one Maharaja package and one we took the regular, like in which they serve just tea and coffee. So we took two packages. So the prices are like 3,000 per head for high tea and 4,500 for Maharaja. But definitely guys, it's worth it. If you spend this much amount, it's worth it. In the end, you will say that coming here was one of the very different experience. See the view of beautiful Gateway of India from here, and then they have outside corridor here. You can take a seat here also, where there is a beautiful view from the window. So the Taj Mahal Palace has a history of where many world-renowned personalities from all over the fields have stayed here, from Lord Mountbatten and Bill Clinton when opened in 1902. So it's been more than 100 years and this hotel has still maintained its heritage and it's still as beautiful as it was 100 years back. The Taj Mahal Hotel was first in India to have electricity, American fans, German elevators, Turkish baths and English butlers. So it was there 100 years back. when it was built, the first Indian five-star hotel in India. Yes. So our chef is explaining what all items he got in this three-tier tray, which they gave on the table, and also they gave all the chaat items on the table.
and traditional Gujarati snacks, Ameri curd. There is sweet tikki, green one is hare chane ki sabzi, white one is bani ki tikki.
लाते लाइट कॉफ़ी एकदम जरीब कॉफ़ी
And just look at the view from this table outside. There are tourists over there downstairs. They come to visit Gateway of India from buses and from their tourist guides and all. We had a great time here. And also we did very nice photo shoot here. We made nice videos and photos. And the staff here is really amazing. They are very nice and helpful, caring, very experienced staff. I loved the food here. The desserts were really delicious. Everything was worth it. So it's 6:19 almost, time for sunset, and we are still here having a great time. And they serve unlimited sparkling wine, so you can order as much as you want. Unlimited tea, coffee, so you can order as much as you want, and unlimited buffets there. Ambience is really amazing here. So guys, stay tuned. See, it's almost sunset now, and look at the soft lighting they have inside. The yellow lighting, they don't have very bright lights here, which is really nice. And we were here till the sunset. So guys, it's finally time to leave from the Sea Lounge, and we are heading to their main lobby area. We want to check out their swimming pool area, so we are planning to go there now. So we came at their lounge area, which is next to the hotel lobby, next to the swimming pool. So we came here, we sat here for a while with our coffee, and the ambience here was really nice, cozy, and comfortable. And there was live music going on here. So we had a great time here. We sat here. We requested few songs to these live performers. They were really nice to us, and they also played our favorite music. So guys, thank you so much. I hope you liked my vlog.